Today I'm going to be showing you the best strategies in Monopoly Go mobile game. There are multiple strategies and I will teach you all of them. So let's get started. First, open the Monopoly game in your mobile phone. This game revolves around the balance between investing wisely and generating a steady stream of income. You need to increase your properties their maximum level, which significantly increases your rent. You need to make sure as well as that you collect a lot of shields so that you will be able to block your opponent's attack. You can increase your shields using multipliers when you rolling your dice consistently and land of the dice with a shield token on it. You need to complete the tournament of milestones in order to earn more income, and you will be receiving free gifts like cash, stickers as well as dice, so that you have more dice and have more chances to roll and play the game.